Hello and welcome to Ecom Premium. Today we will be adding track your order page, and this is track your order page in your store. How you can add this? Right now you can see if you are only making a menu, you won't see anything here, just like this. So we will be finally adding it today live. So first of all, you have to go to here, apps and sales channel settings. Then something like this will come up. You have to write track 123, and this app will come. You have to install this track 123 order tracking upsell. After clicking on it, you will see something like this. You can also view the demo store here, and we can also open it up like this. We'll see that demo store here. You see track your order OS 2.0 style. If you are on theme OS 2.0, you will see something like this, and you can also track like this, and you can also customize your order tracking page with your products in it. So now we are just here. You see, after clicking on install app, it will be something like this. It will get your authorization, then you have to simply click install app, and dashboard like this will come up to you guys. Okay, now after installation, you will see something like this. Here you see it's saying start my journey. Yes, start journey. Drop shipping mode. When enable track 123 will automatically turn on, feature frequently used by consignment sellers. You can also use this. Add keywords, AliExpress into various locations, right? And then next step, importing shipments. Your branded tracking page is ready. Like this one is the page. You have to copy this one, and you can also view the pricing. It's free for like access to 1500 plus carriers, and something like 200 orders. It's free for 200 orders per month, but after 200 orders, you can select another plan in this app, but this is free for the previous. We have got the link. You can just go to in your store navigations, and you say, after going to navigations, you have to simply replace the navigation link, track your order with the URL we just copied, like this, right? And then here, click on save. And now once we will be going into this page, you see, or it will be something like this. After 2 minutes, it will be enabled for us. Just like this, you see now track your order page has been successfully implemented. And if you like the video, please do subscribe us and like the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.